leaked Sony Xperia compact images. Apparently, they want to take a shot at the tiny little smartphone, at a iPhone 12 mini rival, a small Android flagship device. We've talked about how possibly Apple's expectations with the iPhone 12 mini might have been a little higher than what ended up happening, at least in the short term here. We talked about that. But that didn't stop Sony, I guess, or maybe they had this product in development in advance, or maybe they just feel like, hey, on the Android side, you can't get a small phone. This is a small phone. This is the compact Xperia 5.5-inch device, smaller than its 2017 predecessor. We have this leak here. I believe it's via OnLeaks. That's correct. It's via OnLeaks. It's a wonderful-looking render. It will be slightly larger than the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, and it will likely be the smallest, at least from the major brands, the smallest Android flagship device. In fact, it's going to be smaller than, I don't know, the Pixel 5.
No.
You remember the Pixel 5?
Yeah. That was a small phone. Is it going to be long, or is it going to have like the?
You know what?
regular
I don't
aspect
think it's
ratio?
going to have that tall aspect ratio. That's just me looking at it here. Let's see if they reference it. It'll have the Touch ID or the fingerprint unlock. Because we're reading this report on Mac Rumors, they had to call it Touch ID, even though it's just a fingerprint scanner. Is going to be in the power switch like the other models. It's also going to have a 3.5 mil headphone jack. But I guess some of this stuff, we got to guess. The measurement of the device, 140 by 68.9 by 8.9. So if you wanted to calculate the aspect ratio, you could do that there. But it definitely looks more traditional than the super slender aspect ratio that Sony has been using on its larger scale flagships. But if it's got all the camera features and everything else, it could be interesting. Although I just don't know what the market is like for these micro phones. I just don't know. However crazy it is to call it a microphone, because if you scroll up, look at that iPhone 3GS. What's going on? Right there, you had one of those, didn't you?
Yeah. They
Crazy.
were great. Really shiny in the back. Plastic.
Crazy stuff, man.